Introducing the Willows Courtyard homes at Pichaco Mountain. Perfect fit homes. Uniquely designed for an active lifestyle. Build your new courtyard home in the Willows at Pichaco Mountain, surrounded by natural landscape and breathtaking views of the mountains, valleys and city lights. Discover Pichaco Mountain trails. Explore Pichaco Peak National Recreation Area. Or just relax in your own private home setting. The courtyard home sites at Pichaco Mountain are comfortably sized to ensure plenty of personal space with minimal maintenance. The small village setting is ideal for all life stage. Busy professionals, young families, active adults, anyone who enjoys the pleasure and pride of home ownership. Each courtyard home is designed to take full advantage of the great Las Cruces climate with spacious indoor-outdoor courtyard and patio areas. Built with high energy efficiency standards. Rest easy knowing you will leave a soft footprint on the environment. Pichaco Mountain was certified as one of the first certified Built Green New Mexico communities in southern New Mexico. We are featuring the Durango floor plan as our model home. The Durango is the perfect blend of luxury and functionality. Ample living and storage space means you can downsize without having to sacrifice. The Durango is dressed to impress with great scale and mass, whether entertaining new neighbors or old friends. The open floor plan and great room makes it a treat to interact with guests. Watch TV or enjoy views of the outdoors as you prepare dinner. The spacious master suite and spa-like bathroom provide a perfect retreat to escape from the day's activities. The central beamed courtyard and spacious rear patio expand your living area, giving plenty of opportunities to enjoy Las Cruces' great year-round climate. The Durango offers a formal dining room for that special set you can't part with, or perhaps that game table you always wanted. The garage offers extended space for storage or hobbies, and the master closet has convenient entrance into the laundry room. All of the Willows Courtyard homes offer upscale amenities in each home, including granite countertops throughout, extensive use of tile, beautiful wood cabinetry, and your choice of lovely fixtures. Select from your favorite floor plans, ranging from 1480 to 2013 square feet and starting from the 230,000 seconds. Las Cruces, New Mexico is consistently rated among the top places to retire in the U.S. At Pichaco Mountain you will find the perfect custom home site or your dreams. These are inspired neighborhoods and exceptional homes. Pichaco Mountain proudly offers a variety of neighborhoods to fit your unique lifestyle. Every neighborhood offers the best of New Mexico real estate in a welcoming environment with endless opportunities to connect with neighbors, make new friends, enjoy the great outdoors, or take in a game of golf or tennis at Pichaco Hills Country Club, located just minutes from the Pichaco Mountain community. Discover the simple style of luxury living, your own private resort destination starting in the 230 seconds.